Want to know what the symbols next to messages mean in Facebook Messenger? In this video, I will guide you what the symbols next to messages mean in Facebook Messenger. First of all, launch open the Messenger app. Now, if you want to send a message on Facebook Messenger, you simply want to open up the conversation. Now type in the message and tap on send. If you get confused about the symbols next to the messages, then I will explain what they mean. The first one is a circle without anything inside. This means that the message is sending. If you receive this symbol for a long period of time, it might mean that there is some internet connection issue on your device. Once you have been connected with a stable internet, the message will be sent and a tick mark will appear inside that circle, indicating that the message has been sent. Once it has been delivered, you will get the blue circle with a tick mark. Once the message has been read, you will see the profile picture of that username. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.